What is scheduled maintenance? Scheduled maintenance is any task that is given a deadline and assigned to a technician. It can either be a recurring task done at regular intervals or a one-time task. Scheduled maintenance includes inspections, adjustments, regular service, and planned shutdowns. An example of scheduled maintenance occur at repeating intervals is changing a bearing on a conveyor belt every 30 days or inspecting the condition of a motor every 90 days. Scheduled maintenance can also take the form of a one-time work order. If a problem with an asset or part is identified, a time is scheduled to check and repair the asset. The primary goals of scheduled maintenance are to reduce reactive maintenance, equipment failure, and maintenance backlog. Standard checks help increase the lifetime of assets and reduce the number of equipment repairs and replacements. Scheduling tasks also allows you to better allocate resources in a cost-effective and efficient manner.